Good afternoon. My name is Santiago Dixon Moreno. If I, I English long vowels in the IPA. What do you need to know? English long vowels have two dots like this. After the vowel, this symbol if this after it you know it's a long vowel. English long vowels are not noticeable longer than short vowels. Distinguishing between short and long vowels is very important in English because they mean different words. Egg, sheep, and sheep. Week and week, and so on. An English long vowel is only one symbol in the IPA because it is one mood position. Key point. When you are looking at the vowels in the IPA to help you with your pronunciation, if you see the two dots, you need to check you are making a long vowel, not a short vowel or a double vowel. English vowel examples IPA long single vowels. Vowel phonetic symbols and IPA examples in words. E. Week, feet, media. A. Heart, park, article. O. Fork, walk, August. E. Heart, guard, surface. U. Boot, group, beautiful. What are English long vowels in the IPA? There are 5 IPA symbols for English long vowels. The IPA for English long vowels are E, A, O, E, U. English diphthong or double vowels in the IPA. What you need to know. English diphthong vowels have two IPA symbols because they are made of two mode positions. In other words, diphthong vowels are two short vowels joined together. They are also called double vowels. Many non-native speakers make some English diphthong vowels as single vowels. English vowel examples, IPA diphthong vowels, double vowels. Vowel phonetic symbol and IPA examples in words. A. Place, late, dangerous. O. Home, phone, global. O. Mouse, brown, accountant. A. Flare, fear, career. O. Care, wear, declare. Boy, toy, enjoyable. Thank you very much. Bye bye.